In Singapore, we hardly see a dead trees along the roads. That is a unique, If you take bus or take anything, you walk, you see no dead tree one, I tell you.
If you see a dead tree, I'll be dead the next day. Hi, I'm Siew Ngim. I'm the director of Streetscape and the director of Obstac. I'm in charge of the Streetscape greenery in Streetscape Southwest. So the region spans from Telok Blangah all the way to Tuas Industrial Estate. So I oversee a team of over 20 people and we travel the roads to check on our trees every day. Some of the work that we do daily includes tree inspection, tree pruning, as well as planting works along the roads. We have implemented multi-tiered forest planting along the streetscape in the form of nature ways. So these trees actually support the local biodiversity. So this is important to Singapore if we want to ensure that we successfully transform into city in nature. So besides aesthetics, trees also provide shades and they cool down the environment. These different trees will grow to different heights. They help to mitigate urban heat island effect. Just like when we go to the forest, we feel like the temperature will drop 1 to 2 degrees, right? So we hope to bring that effect to the urban streetscape in Singapore.
In the late 70s, when I joined NParks, our vision is to make Singapore a garden city. So we started to plant trees along roads. The intention is to provide shade and greenery for the people. So when we move into the 80s, we start to introduce colors to our streetscape. We start to introduce trees that can have colorful flowers to beautify our streetscape. In year 2000, we set our visions to transform Singapore from garden city to city in a garden. For the first 30 years, we have already successfully greened up our roads. People like to say, what is different between garden city and city and garden? Garden city is, near to my house, there is a park. City in a garden because we are able to encompass the whole urban areas into a garden. So it's as if we are walking on the path in the park. They can even walk, jog or even cycle from east to the west without using any public transport.
We have a vision to transform Singapore into a city in nature. We also seek to introduce biophilic elements into our park design. This canal behind me, it used to be a concrete drain and we convert it into a naturalized stream. So it actually creates recreational benefits for the citizens and it also provides habitats for the wildlife.
Since we manage a huge population of trees in urban areas, we need to ensure that the trees are safe. When I first joined, that was the late 70s, we go out to check the trees and we record down all the condition of the trees on paper. We don't have those high technology tools, but we equip stuff with charcoal, even parang. One incident that I went out with ladies' colleagues with all these tools up to the bars. Everybody look at us.
So NParks has evolved our inspection. Instead of the manual measurement, we have now moved on to lighter tech tools.
With this latest technology and equipment that you use, I think it gives us a more accurate assessment of tree condition, like tree decay. The staff here have to use the experience and the knowledge that they have to interpret the finding from the machines. I've been working here for the last 45 years. I planted the trees and I treat them all like my children. I have a chance to make decisions to choose the right plants for the roadside and even for parks. I feel very satisfied when I see park users using the facility for family bonding, for picnicking. Even they walk along the shaded trees, that is very fulfilling.